Now let's see what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and another word in the sentence. It often tells position, time, direction or relation. Okay, between two nouns or pronouns. With the help of examples, you can understand this in better way. See the first example, the book is on the table. Here, on is the preposition, okay, and it is telling the position of the object, okay. Now see the second sentence, she arrived after lunch. Here, it is about relation. It is telling the relation between she and lunch, okay. Now see the last sentence, he walked towards the park. Here towards is the preposition and it is showing the direction, okay. Where did she walk? Where did he walk? He walked toward the park. Now let's see the different types of prepositions. First type is prepositions of place. Second is prepositions of time. Third is prepositions of direction. Fourth is prepositions of cause. The last one is prepositions of manner. Now we are going to see each of these type in depth. Now let's get started. Now see the first type of prepositions, that is prepositions of place. So these prepositions answer the where. Okay. With the help of examples, I will make you understand. First, see the use shows the position or location. Okay. This preposition shows the position or location of any object. Okay. In example, you will understand that. See the first example. The cat is under the table. Here, with the help of this under preposition, we are getting to know where is the cat. Okay, it is under the table, right? So under is telling the position or the location of that object. Okay, see the second sentence, the keys are on the shelf. Where are the keys? On the shelf. With the help of on only we are getting to know where are these keys. Okay, now see the last sentence, that is he sat beside me. So here beside is preposition of place. Okay, these all are the examples of prepositions of place. Now here one tip I have given you. Prepositions of place are often followed by a noun or pronoun. Okay, if you observe all these three examples, you can see that after the preposition you can see there is noun or pronoun. Okay, so this is how you can remember that. Now let's move to the another type. Now second type is prepositions of time. This answers the question when. Now see the use of this preposition. This preposition shows the time of an action or event. With the help of examples you can understand. See the first example. We will meet at 5 p.m. Here at is the preposition which is telling about the time. Okay. Now see the second sentence. She was born in May. Here May is a month, right? It is also a time. So before that we got one preposition, that is in. Now see the last sentence. I have a meeting on Monday. Monday is the day which always refers to a time, right? So here on is a preposition of time. Now see, there are only three prepositions of time, and those are at, in and on. See the tip which is very important here. At for precious time. We use at for precious time to indicate time or the exact time. Okay. Now see the second one, that is on. On we use for days or dates. Okay. In we use for months and year. So there are only three prepositions and you got to know that how we can use that. Okay. Now let's move to the next type. Now the third type is prepositions of direction. It answers the where to question. Now see the use. It shows movement towards something. See the examples. She walked into the room. Here from into we are getting to know the movement of her. Okay. She walked into the room. What is the preposition here? Into. Now see the second sentence. He ran towards the bus. where is the movement towards the bus. Okay, so what is the preposition here? Towards. Now see the last sentence. They moved across the road. Here across is the preposition of direction. Now here one tip I have given you. Direction preposition often come after action verbs. Now if you observe all these three examples, see after the main verb, in the first sentence walked is the main verb, right? After that we got into. See in the second sentence, after ran we got towards. See in the last sentence, after moved we got the across. So after main verb we can see the preposition of direction. Okay, this is how you can remember this. Now let's see the fourth type of preposition. Prepositions of cause. These prepositions answer the question why. Okay, now see the use of these prepositions. These prepositions show the reason, cause, or purpose of an action. Now see the examples. First example, the match was cancelled because of rain. If I ask question using why to this sentence, I will get the answer. Okay, so what is the question? Why the match was cancelled? What is the answer? Because of rain. Here the because of is telling the reason. Okay, that is the reason. It is the preposition of cause, or you can say preposition of reason. Now see the second question. He was absent due to illness. Now ask question using why. Why was he absent? What is the answer? Due to illness. Here due to is the preposition of reason, or you can say it is the preposition of cause. Okay, now see the last example. She went abroad for higher studies. Here for is the preposition of cause. So how you can understand in the brief, these prepositions explain why something happened or is done. In the tip you can see that, and this is how you can remember this. Now let's see the last type of preposition. Prepositions of manner. So these prepositions answers how, by whom, and by what. Now see the use of this preposition. These prepositions show the method, means, or the doer of the action. Doer means subject who performs the action in a sentence. Okay, now see the examples. He traveled by car. If you ask question using how to this sentence, what answer you will get? By car. So here by is the preposition of manner. Now see the second sentence. The painting was done by an artist. So if you ask question by whom, so what answer you will get? By an artist, right? And what is the preposition here? That is by, and it is the preposition of manner. Now see the last example. She cut the paper with scissors. By what, if you ask question to this sentence, what answer you will get? With scissors. Here see with is preposition of manner. So what is the tip here? Use by for agents and with for tools or instruments. So whenever a person is there or any vehicle is there, you should use by. Okay, and whenever there is any tool, for that we always have to use with. Okay, that is the difference between by and with. So here this is how we finish all the types of prepositions, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video.